What do you mean, what's my problem?
Why did you put me out?
Because your windshield's broken.
I know that. It just got broken.
That sucks. I'm sorry to hear that. That's why I pulled you over. It's a valid reason. Where's your driver's license?
You pulled me over because you don't have anything to do. That's why you pulled me over.
Womp womp.
Womp womp.
You're the registered owner of the vehicle?
Here you go, duh.
Duh. Okay. You got full coverage? What happened? How did it break?
One of my children play baseball. I was at the park, the orange and blue park in Danesville. They was playing damn thing. I did that.
I'm sorry that happened. That sucks. Yeah. Well, you make some good moments, okay?
On March 20th, 2025, a Bradford County Sheriff's Office deputy initiated a traffic stop on a black Nissan Altima after observing a large fracture across the passenger side of the windshield. What began as a routine equipment violation would escalate into a physical confrontation and a 3-count arrest, raising questions about notice requirements under Florida law, the lawfulness of the physical removal, and whether the charges filed are supported by the evidence on camera. The deputy approaches the vehicle and explains the reason for the cracked windshield. Under Florida Statute Section 316, 6-10, law enforcement may stop a vehicle for equipment defects that render operation unsafe. The driver immediately pushes back, suggesting the stop lacks justification. The deputy's response is measured and factually accurate. A damaged windshield is a valid basis for a stop, and the deputy moves efficiently to obtain the driver's license.
Hey, what's up with your license?
They get suspended on the 31st. I don't know why. Well, I had to get an SR-22.
Okay, I know what you're talking
And
about.
then when I had to get an SR-22, they sent me something in the mail saying that my license will get suspended. And the only way that I'll be able to get my hardship is after a year after March 31st.
Okay.
So I've been trying to figure out ways that I can, by me having a job, how can I be able to get a hardship before they pick me up?
So now, are you still having to have the SR-22, or now they told you?
I don't know. That's the part that I'm trying to figure out. Do I still need to pay for my SR-22 while they're suspended? For what?
Oh, so you had the SR-22, then they suspended it, and now you're trying to figure out if you need to get a hardship?
I'm not suspending it to the 31st. That's what.
On March 31st? Okay.
March 31st.
Gotcha.
So I still have the SR-22, but what the DMV told me to do was see if I still need to pay for the SR-22. And to be honest, this is my first time going through this. I don't even know what that is all the way. I know, of course, I got tickets, so I don't have any DUIs.
Yeah.
No, none of that stuff. So I'm still kind of confused on why they would be suspended because, of course, I know I get tickets. I know that I didn't have insurance the last time I got pulled over, so I couldn't bring something I did not think.
Yeah. Well, what I can say, I've been in a situation like this before where I had to have the SR-22, and it's at heightened insurance. It's more expensive. This non-judgment suspension that it has on there, possibly there was a lapse in coverage somewhere and maybe a ticket didn't get paid, something like that. That'll usually happen. It'll cause the license to get suspended. It's showing that it's currently not valid now. It's showing that it's suspended right now. Okay. It sounds to me like maybe there was just confusion for the 31st versus today or whatever.
Can I look and see the paperwork in here so you can see
what it looks like to me on here is, so this one right here is just totally revoking it, whereas yours was already suspended and it's suspended for the 17th. But it looks like this is saying that it's just completely getting revoked unless you get all that stuff taken care of.
And that's what I'm saying. I turned in all of that. I paid all my tickets. I turned in all of that stuff. So now I'm still confused on, I got the SR-22, what they wanted me to do.
Yeah, the bottom of the injury.
I did all of that stuff, what they wanted me to do. So now I don't know what else they expect me to do.
Gotcha.
Like, I'm really confused. Like, I did everything that I was supposed to do, so I don't be in predicaments.
Yeah.
So I don't be in predicaments like this.
Yeah.
But I really took care of everything, and I paid. When I got my taxes, I paid everything to make sure that the tolls, it was one for Palapa that I didn't know anything out. I paid everything.
Okay. It sounds to me like it was just honestly an honest mix-up. Because it is showing suspended. I'm going to go see what I can do about it. Technically, when it's a suspended license, I have to give you a court date, and it's a misdemeanor, okay? That's if it's driving with a license suspended knowing, okay? So it seems to me like maybe it was just a miscommunication. We thought it was the 31st, but it's already showing on the 17th, okay? So I'm going to go see if I can do something about that, all right?
So No, because I don't even have nothing in the letter saying that this is the only thing.
So what we can look at, I'm going to look at and see if I can downgrade it to driving without knowing as opposed to driving while knowing. Driving while knowing is a court date. Okay. Driving without knowing is just a ticket. All right. It's just a ticket. You get it fixed at the DMV and get it all straightened out. And then ideally they might be able to just, take it off. Okay. So I'm going to go see if I can do that for you. All right. Hang out for me a little bit.
So now it's like, I'm just feel like now I got to pay a ticket for something I did not. That's not right. Like, I'm getting a ticket for something I did not know.
Alrighty, so here's the situation.
While the driver waits, the deputy runs her license through dispatch. What he receives back will become the central legal question of this entire encounter. The system returns the license as currently suspended, not as of March 31st, but already suspended as of the 17th. The deputy returns to the vehicle and informs the driver that her license is showing as suspended. The driver is visibly surprised and explains that she believed the suspension would not take effect until March 31st, after receiving notice from the DMV following an SR-22 insurance requirement. Despite his stated intent to explore a lesser charge, the deputy ultimately issues a court date for April 29th, the misdemeanor charge for knowingly driving on a suspended license. He advises the driver that she cannot drive the vehicle and instructs her to wait for someone else to retrieve it.
Like, that's weird.
So here's the situation. So I do have to give you a court date. It's going to be on April 29th at about 9 a.m. You're going to want to call the Bradford County Sheriff's Office, or the Bradford County Court. They'll be able to give you the specific time for the courts, okay? There's that right there. I just need your signature right here. This isn't an admission of guilt or anything. It's just saying that, yes, I did give you that. And instead of me taking it,
I got to go to court. That's because Bradford just on some racist ass shit.
All right. So instead of you going to jail, I had you do that. Okay. If not, I could take you to jail.
When it's in black and white right there, that my license wasn't suspended to March 31st.
So it's suspended right now. It's a misdemeanor. So here's what's going to happen. I just got to let you know.
Don't yell at me.
Where are you going?
You
can't drive. You can't drive.
My cousin coming. Don't yell at me.
Get out of the car now.
No,
out of the car right now.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Get off me. Get off me. No. Get off me. Get off me.
Well, your cousin? She's in the back here. She's in the back here.
Can I just get her?
No, she's under arrest. She's under arrest for resisting as well as driving with license suspended.
She resisted?
Yeah.
Can I get her car?
I don't care. That shouldn't be a problem.
I could get where her keys at.
Let's check.
Can I see her?
I'll roll down the window for you to talk to her.
She resisted you?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, what happened?
Yep.
You can change my call back to 75, please.
Sir, what happened with her leg?
It's probably from her fighting. Do you want your phone in the jail? Do you want your phone in your property? Do you want your phone or do you want your sister to have your phone? 674. You can cancel record. Her sister's gonna go ahead and take the car.
Oh, stop.
You're background noise. You're for the Nissan.
74, you can cancel this record for the Nissan. She's gonna get someone to pick it up.
So what happened? Because I was just
on the phone with her the whole time.
She was given a ticket for driving with license suspended.
But she was getting paid her court call.
It's suspended. She was getting ready to leave. She can't drive.
And I told him my car.
I said I was coming, sir. I was just on the phone.
No, you didn't. That's so here. There.
You didn't touch me.
Yeah.
Yes, he touched me.
It's all on video. Got it all.
Yeah, you touched me. You touched me first.
I did touch.
Yeah, you didn't. You
All right.
needed help.
Sir, what happened?
You needed help.
Okay.
You needed help.
If you want,
You're weak.
I'm done with this discussion.
You're weak. You couldn't even do nothing with me.
What's your mama number, Cole?
You couldn't do shit with me. You needed help from 2 other crowds.
Yeah. What are you gonna
You're
do?
a nasty racist ass.
All right.
So, sir, even though she had all her paperwork from the clerk's
He
office,
touched me.
you still can take her to jail? She just paid for it.
Taking to jail is resisting.
That's all you can do. Touch me first.
So, I don't understand this. When did
Touch me first. Man on my
she got the car and she
You're supposed to
I was-
touch me.
I didn't do it right now. Here's the situation. You can drive the car.
Okay.
That's all it's going. She's gonna be taken to the Bradford County Court. She should have first appearance first thing tomorrow morning. Okay. At that time, they'll set bond and get all that other stuff figured out. Figure out how to get her out. Okay.
Hey, bro.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, let me just see your legs.
It's my arm too, cause that. He better be glad I'm in handcuffs.
Yep.
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 Girl, he told me, because I'm talking on the phone, and I'm telling him it doesn't make sense why I got to get a ticket if he read the paper black and white saying my license don't get suspended till March 31st. I just paid all of this stuff, insurance and everything. He getting mad because I'm talking on the phone. I'm aggravated. I'm frustrated. He told me, oh, get out the car. He telling me to get out the car. What am I getting out the car for? I can express myself. The you talking about? I'm doing everything by myself. What do you mean? I'm frustrated. I just paid all this shit.
Sir.
That man grabbed me.
Sir.
And yes, I was telling him, don't grab me.
You don't think that you could just let it go?
More than likely not. Especially with this situation where the fact that she's resisting and she wanted to.
So listen, if she resists you, what happened? I'm saying, when you asked her to get out the car and she resists you, not Viria, stop! You're making it harder for yourself. Just stop.
Hey,
Stop.
knock it
No.
off. Knock it off.
Stop
Knock it off.
No, I want to get. I understand, but let me
She's under arrest?
She's under arrest.
She's under arrest?
She's under
Are you
arrest.
done with this guy?
So, this car, yeah, she's gonna take that car.
Okay, let her go. Take her straight to the jail.
10-4.
All right,
Okay.
I'll meet you there.
All right. Can you grab the car and you're good to, or
Yeah,
get someone to get it, okay?
Go get my
All right. Thank you.
What happens next triggers the use of physical force. The deputy observes the driver moving as if to shift into drive and close the door. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided by the Supreme Court in 1977, an officer may order a driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle. Once that lawful order is refused and the driver appears to be preparing to leave, the deputy has legal authority to physically remove her. With the driver now in custody, a cousin arrives at the scene. The deputy informs her of the charges driving while license suspended and resisting. He permits the cousin to take possession of the vehicle, canceling the need for a tow. This is consistent with good discretionary judgment, minimizing collateral impact where possible. The cousin engages the deputy, seeking to understand what happened. The deputy explains that once the citation was issued, the driver attempted to close the window and appeared to shift into drive, at which point he intervened. This account, if accurate, supports the lawfulness of the physical removal. EMS responds to the scene after the deputy advises the subject has requested medical attention. She presents with scrapes to her knees and arm injuries consistent with the physical struggle during removal from the vehicle. The subject is evaluated by Bradford County Fire Rescue and signs a refusal of medical treatment and transportation form. She is then transported to the Bradford County Jail. Her first appearance is set for the following morning, where bond will be addressed.
Why the did you touch me? This is your fault. You should have kept your hands to yourself. I didn't do shit to you. I can express myself. I don't give a
I did get the 15 mileage, yeah, and the jail's been notified.
Truck, I don't give a I don't care. I don't care. I don't give a
Oh, She's gonna need
I don't care. I don't
EMS.
care. I don't give a
You need
fuck.
EMS?
I don't give. Yes, because I'm hurt because of you. I'm hurt because of you. I don't give a.
5674. She's advising she needs EMS.
I want
Stop all that. What is wrong with you? You're acting a fool.
Full on EMS.
She's advising she'd like EMS.
Take me out.
It doesn't matter, dude. You're throwing a temper tantrum for something you did.
We have them meet us outside the jail.
I don't want to be in.
Okay. Well, look at what you did. I don't know what to tell you. And you spit on me too, so that's another thing. That's disgusting. You're gross.
I don't care.
She came down with the case of incarcerated.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Hey, knock it off. You want another charge? All right. You keep that shit up. When we get to the jail, you're getting tased.
Let me out.
Okay. All right, I'll let you out. Hang on. All right, so EMS is here. I need you to act right, okay? You can act right? Are you hearing me? All right. Well, act right. Don't do anything stupid, or else you will get tased. Hey. What's going on? She's got some scrapped up knees and stuff. Yeah, that ain't happening. Yeah, so, on that note then, so it's the driving, but then what happened is as I was explaining to her, she signed the ticket and then she closed.
You behave.
Oh, sorry.
You're gonna get there. We're here to help you, okay? Not kick.
So you was explaining the citation?
Yeah, so she signed it, then she put up the window. I said, stop, open the door. She goes to close the door. It looks like she's reaching over to shift into drive.
No cheaters.
Hold the door open. Hey, what are you doing? So then I pulled her out. She's resisting as I'm trying to get her in handcuffs to get her to stop.
The deputy receives a grade of B. His handling of the initial stop and the license suspension conversation was genuinely commendable. He listened carefully to the driver's explanation, acknowledged the possibility of a mix-up, attempted to find a lesser charge, and communicated clearly throughout. The physical removal, once the driver appeared to shift into drive, had legal support under Pennsylvania versus Mimms and the circumstances on the ground. The driver receives a grade of C+. Her frustration in this encounter is genuinely understandable. She had taken steps to comply with DMV requirements, paid outstanding obligations, and understood her suspension to begin on a future date. Her explanation is consistent, credible, and directly relevant to the knowingly element of the suspended license charge at trial. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.